In this video, I'll show you how to fix Riot Valorant couldn't update error. Now the way that we can try and fix this is we want to come down here and search for Task Manager, open it up, go to Details, press anywhere and press R after you sort by the name, look for Riot Client Services, right click, set priority and set it to high. Now see if this fixes your issue. If you still cannot do it, what you want to do is come down here, right click on your Vanguard and exit Vanguard. Once you've done that, search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and it will look like this. In here you want to type sc space delete space vgc, press enter, and then type sc space delete space vgk and press enter. You should have 2 success messages, and after this what you want to do is simply restart your PC, and this might fix the issue. Now if this still doesn't fix the issue, after you restart your PC, come down here and once again exit the Vanguard. And then what you want to do is go to your PC, open up your C drive, program files, Riot Vanguard, and delete this folder. If you cannot delete it, it's because you have Riot or Vanguard open, so make sure you close it here or go into the Task Manager and end the task. Now once you've done that and deleted this folder, what you want to do is simply restart your PC, and when you open up the Riot client, it should ask you to update your Valorant, which is simply just reinstalling the Vanguard. That's what the update is. Now if this still doesn't work, last 2 things we can try is come here, search for the Windows Firewall, allow an app, change settings, search anywhere for R, look for Riot client and enable both of these. If you don't see Riot client in here, press allow another app, browse, and then we want to look for a Riot client. So you can search for Riot client here, right click, open file location, right click, open file location, click up here, Control C, come back here and click up here, Control V, press enter, and then select it from here. Now once you've done that, check both boxes, close it down, right click on your Valorant, run as an administrator, and see if it works. Now I really hope any of these helped solve the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.